ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಗೊಂಜಾಗ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ 2021-22ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಶಾಲಾ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಗೊಂಜಾಗ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ 2021-22ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಗೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಮೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಪಿಂಟು ಎಸ್ಜೆ ಅವರು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ಇಂದು ಬೆಳಗಿದ ದೀಪ ಮುಂದಿನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕೂ ಬೆಳಗುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಹೊಸತನ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆಯನ್ನ ಮೈಗೂಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Both together. Having said that, I would like to say it's been a nice feeling of a farewell, saying whatever your teachers have said, it's another stage of something new that you are going to begin. And you have given a beautiful nomenclature for this event as the Jyothi Pradhan. Whoever thought of it, it's something very beautiful. I tried to figure out what is this Jyothi Pradhan. It's, if I'm not mistaken, it is something like you being given the light with which you are going ahead. And so the Jyothi Pradhan. And this light you will be carrying on in your life.
ತದಬಳಿಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞಾ ವಿಧಿಯನ್ನ ಶಾಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಫಾದರ್ ಮೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಅನಿಲೋಬಾಯ್ಸ್ಜೆ ಅವರು ಬೋಧಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲೂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಬೇಕು, ಭವಿಷ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಪ್ರಕಾಶಮಾನದಂತೆ ಕಂಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಆ ಮೂಲಕ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗುವ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ್, ಜ್ಯೋತಿ or light is presented to you today so that you not only illumine your life but also life of others. It has been already explained to you the symbolic meaning of light. Light is a beautiful symbol. Light invokes divineness. It removes darkness. The beautiful logo of the institution, which has been presented to you as a symbol of this institution, ever since you entered this institution, has this very message: Lucet et ardent, meaning shine to enkindle. You shine because the light within you has been lit, and you shall enkindle many other lights. Today, after being educated in this institution for the last 10 years, or for some of you at least few years, we are presenting you to the world.
ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ ಶಾಲಾ ದಿನಗಳ ತಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡರು.
I didn't know what to hear, I didn't know what to speak, and I didn't have any proper perception of vision. But our school has shaped me in such a way that I can say that I am what I am today, right now, because of my school. This won't be just for now. Even when anyone asks me, what school are you from, I'll proudly say, St. Aloysius Gonzaga School. Because I'm here from a decade, not because I'm here from a decade, but because the school has transformed me from a seed to a plant.
Like everybody else, I also have a friendship of school life. After all, it's the best time of our lives. I have created a lot of memories in this school which I will cherish throughout my life. School life is undoubtedly one of the positive memories of life. For me, it has been an amazing golden age. I have entered my school crying, not wanting to let go of my mother's hand, scared of the new people and new place. My life at this school made me learn something new almost every day. It helped me to gain understanding and succeed not only in studies but also in co-curricular activities. It taught me a lot of life skills for which I am grateful to this day. The memories of school life are an incomparable part. I still remember sharing my lunch with my friends, participating in various activities, functions, sports days, playing in the field and so on.
ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಶಾಲಾ ಉಪಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಲಾರೆಲ್ ಡಿಸೋಸಾ ಅವರು ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಶಾಲಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಪೋಷಕರು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಮೊದಲಾದವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಕಾವೂರು, ವಿ4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.